Hey everyone, to start off the video, I want to do a little nail haul. I went to my local nail supply store. I went to Nails Bay and Kelly's Nail Supply, if you're familiar with Boston. I got this Kiarasky rub-on applicator and it's pretty cool. I want to get into foils, so I decided to get that, and I got this one foil. I don't know how much they charged me for it, but I was like, oh, you know those little things you just have to get because it's so pretty. So yeah, that was that. I also got a gem applicator. I already had one of these, but it's all chewed up and it's ready to be thrown away. So I got this one. It's a little on the thicker side, so it's hard to hold sometimes, but it's super pretty to look at when you're doing rhinestone nail art. But I also got this smaller one. It's cute, it's pink, and it seems like it's lighter and thinner, more like a pencil to hold, and that's by Creations. A lot of local nail supply stores carry their products. I also got these Berkeley detail nail art brushes. They're not as cute, but they're super lightweight and they get the job done. Like any straight line, any French you want to do, these are the brushes, seriously. And Berkeley usually has pretty good tools too, so I really love these. The only thing, you can't soak them in acetone, let them to soak because they will melt, but they're a must. And I also got these really pretty butterfly decals. I love the monarch butterflies. I can see like a light blue set with some clouds and orange monarch butterflies, and I love the pink butterflies as well, so I'm super excited to use those as well. And lastly, I got these Creation nail tips. I don't like to buy any type of clear nail tip from nail supply stores, especially the local ones, because I feel like they do not stick. One time I bought a pack and they just did not stick whatsoever. I had to hold them for like 3 minutes each and they would still pop up when I'm filing. But these seem like they're pretty good quality. They are a beautiful shape and they have the C curve, as you can see here, and they are thin and they're thin material, so I feel like they are going to stick pretty quickly. So I'm going to try these out. I'm really excited that I bought these because I was looking for them on Amazon, but these seem like they're the perfect ones. I got these at Kelly's Nail Supply. If you're from Boston, Kelly's Nail Supply has these in the way back aisle where you think only employees can go. There's a bunch of stuff there, a bunch. So yeah. Check out my AliExpress nail haul. That was my first video ever. I'll put the link down below so you can go check that out. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. But yeah, I want to do a Valentine's Day set today. These are the hearts I'll be using, and I'm thinking nude and red. So yeah, let's get into it. So I've prepped the nails and I am creating my nude color right now. You do see a little yellow and a little brown in there. I like to add based on the skin tone and the undertones. So if I have a client that has yellow undertones, I'll add a little yellow or a little more brown if they're darker, or if they have red undertones, I'll add a little bit of red, very slightly. You want to do it gradually, just so that it's a nude that really goes with their skin tone. Also Kiarasky top coat.